Hello students, in this video lecture you will study about the physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Under physical properties, physical state, color and order, stability of compound, density of compound, water solubility of the compound, its melting point, boiling point, inflammability, and also dipole moment is comes under physical properties of organic compounds. These physical properties are common to all the organic compounds. It is not only for haloalkanes and haloarenes. So one by one discuss physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Before the discussion, some important factors are required. These are molecular size. Molecular size is important factor of which affect the physical property of organic compounds. Second is interaction forces, means forces occurring between molecules of the compound and within the molecules of compound. These are interaction forces are very responsible for determining the physical properties. Density also depends on molecular mass, means molecular mass, molecular size, interaction forces, bond strength and structure of the compound are the main factors which affect physical properties of organic compounds, with special reference to haloalkanes and haloarenes. First of all, what is the state of physical state of haloalkanes and haloarenes? All the haloarenes are either colorless liquids or solids. No any haloarenes occur in gaseous state. All are occur in liquid state or in solid state. But haloalkanes occur in all the three states of matter, that is in gaseous state, liquid state as well as in solid state. Only lower members like CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3, CH2, Cl and chlorofluorocarbon CFC. These compounds occur in gaseous form, means lower members of haloalkanes occurs in gaseous form, but higher members up to carbon number 18, higher members up to carbon number 18 occurs as liquid, and beyond this occurs as solid state. Means lower members only haloalkanes containing 1 or 2 carbon occur in gaseous state, and haloalkanes up to carbon number 18 occurs as liquid state, and beyond this means higher members occurs in the form of solid state. What is reason why lower members occurs in gaseous state and higher members in liquid and solid state? This is due to interaction forces. In case of haloalkanes and haloarenes, which type of interaction force occurs? This is dipole-dipole interaction. Dipole-dipole interaction. Why? Because of the polar nature of carbon-halogen bond. Since carbon-halogen bond is polar nature, that's why in haloalkane molecules dipole-dipole interaction takes place. And this type of interaction depends on the size of the molecule and molecular mass of the compound. Lower members have small size, that's why dipole interaction is very small and negligible. That's why they occur in gaseous state. while higher members, in case of higher members, this force of interaction becomes larger and strong. That's why they occur in liquid state and in solid state. Next, color. Generally all the haloalkanes are colorless. Haloarenes are colorless. Generally they are colorless. But alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides may develop color when exposed to air. Only alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides may develop color when exposed to air. Otherwise, all the haloalkanes and haloarenes are colorless substances. About order, volatile alkyl halides and aryl halides means all the volatile halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon have sweet smell. Sweet smell. So this is about physical state, color and order of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Next property is stability. Stability of the compound. Stability of haloalkanes and haloarenes both depends on the strength of carbon halogen bond, and the strength of carbon halogen bond varies in this order. Carbon fluorine bond is stronger than carbon chlorine bond. Carbon fluorine bond is stronger than carbon bromine bond, which is stronger than carbon iodine bond. This is the decreasing strength of carbon halogen bond, and stability of compound depends on bond strength. It means alkyl fluoride is more stable than alkyl chloride. Alkyl chloride is more stable than alkyl bromide, and alkyl bromide is more stable than alkyl iodide. This is the decreasing stability of haloalkanes and haloarenes. But stability also depends on interaction forces. Interaction forces means dipole-dipole interaction. As the dipole-dipole interaction increases, stability increases. Dipole-dipole interaction depends on electronegativity difference between carbon and halogen bond. That's why chloroalkanes or fluoroarenes are more stable than other haloarenes. This is about the stability of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Next property is the density. Density equal to mass by volume. This is the formula, relationship between mass, volume and density. Density of haloalkanes and haloarenes depends on its molecular mass. Generally, it depends on molecular mass. As the molecular mass increases, density increases. For example, if we take example of CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3I, you may take CH3F. Molecular mass means atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. That for bromine is 80 and for iodine is 127. And molecular mass of CH3 is constant. It means molecular mass of chloroalkane is less than the molecular mass of bromoalkane, which is less than the molecular mass of iodoalkane. And the density depends on molecular mass. It means density increases in this order. This is the increasing density of haloalkanes and haloarenes. For both it is correct, for haloalkanes as well as for haloarenes. But one exception is there. If the size of alkyl group is larger, its density becomes smaller. Means density is inversely proportional to size of alkyl group. As the size of alkyl group increases for the same halogen, okay, density of the haloalkanes decreases. For example, CH3Cl, CH3, CH2Cl, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl, and so on. As the size of alkyl group increases, atomic molecular volume increases, and density is inversely proportional to molecular volume. That's why density decreases with increase in the size of alkyl group. This is about density of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Next is the solubility. Solubility of any of the compound is compared with water. Means whether the compound is soluble in water or insoluble in water, because water is universal solvent. Solubility of alkyl halides or aryl halides is negligible in water, although they are polar in nature, but they are insoluble in water, or you can say they are immiscible in water. Reason is that water molecules held together by hydrogen bonding, H2O molecule, H2O molecule, H2O molecule, H2O molecule. These molecules are held together by van der Waals force, hydrogen bonding. Which type of bonding is this? Hydrogen bonding. And in case of haloalkanes and haloarenes, RX. Which type of bonding is this? This is dipole-dipole interaction. Dipole interaction. In haloalkanes or haloarenes, dipole-dipole interaction takes place between molecules, and in case of water, hydrogen bonding occurs. Since hydrogen bonding is stronger than dipole-dipole interaction, that's why alkyl halide or aryl halide cannot form hydrogen bond with water molecule, or they are unable to break the hydrogen bond already exist in between the water molecules. Means they are unable to form hydrogen bonding with water molecule and unable to break the hydrogen bond present in water molecule. That's why alkyl halides are insoluble in water. This is the reason for insolubility of alkyl halides or aryl halides in water. Next property is the boiling point, which is very important property. Boiling point of alkyl and aryl halides is directly proportional to molecular mass and inversely proportional to number of side chain, or you can say branching. So take some examples. For the same halogen, or you can say, in other words, you can say for the same alkyl group, if the alkyl group is same, but halogens are different. F, Cl, Br, I means alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide, and alkyl iodide. Molecular mass of R is exactly equal, means R is identical in all cases, but atomic mass of chlorine is 1935.5 for chlorine, 80 for bromine, and 127 for iodine. Means molecular mass increases from F to I. So for the same alkyl group, boiling point is directly proportional to molecular mass, means increases in this order. This is the boiling point order of different alkyl halides for the same alkyl group. Next, if the alkyl group is same, but halogen is identical but alkyl group is different, means for the same halogen atom, boiling point depends on interaction forces, means if we take CH3Cl, CH3, CH2Cl, CH3, CH2, CH2Cl, molecular mass increases, molecular mass इसका कम है, इसका उससे ज़्यादा है, उसका उससे ज़्यादा है. As the molecular mass increases, boiling point also increases, means boiling point increases in this order. Next, branching means number of side chain, means for isomeric halides. If you take alkyl halide with carbon number 4, this is an alkyl halide, it is primary alkyl halide. This is secondary alkyl halide. This is tertiary alkyl halide. CH3, CH3X. This is 3 degree alkyl halide. This is 2 degree alkyl halide. And these two are 1 degree. 1 degree alkyl halide and 1 degree alkyl halide. Both are primary alkyl halide. This is secondary alkyl halide. And this is tertiary alkyl halide. As the branching increases, as the side chain increases, boiling point decreases. Okay, means boiling point of tertiary alkyl halide is minimum. Boiling point of secondary alkyl halide is somewhat greater than tertiary alkyl halide, and boiling point of primary alkyl halide with branching is somewhat greater, and straight chain alkyl halide have maximum boiling point. It has maximum boiling point, and tertiary alkyl halide minimum boiling point in this case. In general, for the isomeric alkyl halides, boiling point decreases from 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. This is general trend of boiling point of primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide, in case of isomeric alkyl halides, this is the general trend of boiling point. Means boiling point of primary isomeric alkyl halide is greater than the boiling point of secondary isomeric halide, which is greater than the boiling point of tertiary isomeric alkyl halide. This is about the boiling point of alkyl halides. Now melting point. Melting point of alkyl halide and aryl halide. Melting point depends on packing efficiency of the molecule, and packing efficiency depends on symmetry of the molecule. This can be explained with the help of dihaloarine. Suppose this is orthodichlorobenzene. This is metadichlorobenzene, and this is para-dichlorobenzene. For isomeric diaryl halides, their boiling point is nearly same. But melting point is quite different, because melting point depends on packing efficiency or symmetry of the molecule. Means more symmetrical molecule possess maximum melting point and least symmetrical molecule minimum. In case of para-isomer, melting point of para-isomer is greater than ortho-isomer, which is greater than para-isomer. Means melting point for this type of aryl halide follows the order para, then ortho, then meta. This is the decreasing melting point of diaryl halides. Decreasing melting point. But what is the order of boiling point for this type of halide? Boiling point is nearly identical, close to each other, and boiling point for this isomer follows the order ortho, then para, then meta. This is the decreasing boiling point order. Decreasing boiling point. This is very important question for objective type questions, or for 1 mark question, or for reasoning question. How the boiling point and melting point varies for dihaloarenes. This is the explanation of melting and boiling point of dihaloarenes, and also for alkyl halides. Next and last is the inflammability. They are less inflammable than parent hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are highly inflammable compounds, but haloalkanes or haloarenes are less inflammable compounds, and their inflammability depends on halogen contents. As the number of halogen atom increases, inflammability decreases. For example, CH4 is highly inflammable compound. CH3Cl is less inflammable than methane. CH2Cl2, CH3 and CCl4. This is decreasing inflammability. Decreasing in case of CCl4, CCl4 is not inflammable and it is used as fire extinguisher under the name pyrene. Pyrene is used as fire extinguisher. This is all about physical properties of haloalkanes and haloanes. In very short, physical properties of any of the organic compound depends on its molecular mass, its interaction forces which exist between the molecule or within the molecule, strength of bond means bond strength, and also the structure of the molecule and structure of alkyl groups or aryl groups. This is all about melting point, boiling point, other physical properties of haloalkanes and haloanes. And in next video, you will study about the chemical properties of haloalkanes and haloanes. That's all. Thank you.